that's the ending results of what it looks like. That is the strawberry sunrise non-fat Greek yogurt. You guys ready for this? This one is going to be one of my top favorites. It is a dessert instead of a dinner. So I thought about bringing or implementing like a dessert because I know everyone cooks and likes the lean meals. Well, having a dessert that you can eat lean is like the best thing, because I like scavenge through the cabinets and be like, man, what can I eat for a snack that's lean? I don't know. Well, one day I was making this and one day I was making this secret, and I came up with it. I was like, hey, that could be a good poverty meal prep. So that's what we're going to get into. So the title of it, the dessert, is Strawberry Sunrise non-fat free Greek yogurt. Sounds delicious, right? It is. It is really delicious. It's like one of my top faves of eating yogurt. And non-fat Greek yogurt is like the only yogurt that I eat now. And you can put like different kind of ingredients in it to make it taste better, because eating non-fat free Greek yogurt is really nasty. Like, it's so plain, it's disgusting. I really don't like it plain. For you guys that might like it plain, go ahead, because that's not my cup of tea. But we're gonna get into this. So over here I got some Greek yogurt. I'm going to put 3 containers of this Greek yogurt into a bowl, along with probably 3 things of these strawberries. Oh, they're bomb diggity. They're like the best frozen strawberries you can get at Aldi's. So we'll pick you up a bag. Really good. And not bad. It's for 1 cup, it's 50 calories. I don't think it's bad. Oh, and sweetener. No calorie sweetener. I'll put that in there. Oh, and it's bomb diggity. I think I'm going to put like 3 scoops. If I put more or if I put less, I'll let you guys know. It's going to be kind of a short video because this is not a cooking meal. I don't have to put it in the oven. I don't have to cook it on the stove. There's no cooking involved. It's just slapping these ingredients in a bowl, mixing it up, making sure you got the right calories for the bowl, and then you can eat it. You shove it all up in your face. I'll catch you in a minute. So guys, as you're seeing, I used 2 containers of Greek yogurt. I used 1 thing of strawberries, 1 container of strawberries, and I used 1 cup of sweetener. So this is what it looks like. You got your yogurt on the bottom. You got look at that. You got your sweetener on the top, and you got your strawberries on top. So now I'm going to go ahead and mix this baby up. Then I'll show you what the ending results is. And I will put the macros of this meal down below. I'll put them on the screen so you guys can see what this meal consists of. So guys, this is the ending results. I'm so excited because this is really good, and I'm glad I made it because now I can eat it. I'm just kidding. But that's the ending results of what it looks like. That is the strawberry sunrise non-fat Greek yogurt, and it is the bomb. I'm not only saying that because I made it. I'm saying because it is the bomb and the perfect amount of calories for a snack that you would want to have at nighttime or maybe before lunch or whenever you guys have your snacks. It's dope. But anyways, and you guys should try it out. You guys should try this out and let me know what you guys think. Put it down in the comments below. Like I said, I'm not only saying because I made it, but I'm saying because it is amazing. Anyways, if you like this video, like, subscribe, and make sure you hit that notification bell to get notified when we post more videos. And I love you guys a lot, and thank you for watching, and I really appreciate it. Alright, bye.